Superstar J. Stop playing with these niggas, man. Hit 'em.
Made my first meal, start tweaking, ho. And told my old bitch I ain't speaking how. Montana, I'm a block nigga.
What's up, YouTube? YouTube's your boy Young Rich 419, back with another video. Man, I just lost 6-7 minutes of footage, man, for this car, bro. Putting these wheels on, all because my phone got too hot. So what we about to redo is real quick about what to do, what to check for, why I ain't got the 275 25s on, man. So y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. All right, let's get to it. All right, man. Number one. Oh shit. All right, I did put the wheels back on. Everything went in smooth, great, and everything. I rebent this back up, everything up here. I rebent everything back up, you know what I mean, so it can clear, so ain't nothing poking out. So when the car drop, when I go on dips, it doesn't really damage the tire that much. So had to do that. I did not have to push the plate, the strut plate back up, because of it was still good from before. Also, man, you guys, that's on both sides. It was both still good, so I didn't have to push it back up. Sometimes they do dip back down a little bit. Depends if you can push them up far enough. So also, before y'all mount back up, man, make sure y'all got air in y'all tires, man. You know, when you take them off and they sit for a while, you know, the air seep out of them. But luckily, this still had good seal, no leaks. Everything was really over 35 and up pressure. So actually, this tire right here was actually 44, 45, so it held pressure all over the last, what, 4 or 5 months. So also, what else I'm gonna tell, when the 275 is going on, man, I might have to lift actually the whole car up. But the tire gonna come out right here. It's gonna go over this lip, and I might be hitting the body of the car, man. I don't want to do that. So especially when I go over dips and hips, and I'm gonna have to do the whole car like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy spring lifters for the front. Basically, I'm gonna buy. You're gonna need 2 for each side. So I'm gonna need one. I'm gonna have to go on the left side. One have to go on the right side to lift the car up some. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and do the back too. You feel me? So definitely gotta do that, man. Also, you hear this loud Cadillac inverter? Yeah, we got that over here in that little box over in that little corner, or that white box right there. So that's bitch gonna go on too. Motherfucker look good, man, on 24s, concave, man. Look at that concave, man. Ugh. Yeah, so like I said, I did the same thing over here. Pushed all this up, you know what I'm saying? Push all that up. Push all this back up under here, this fender well. So I tested it, turned it, make sure it wasn't rubbing, make sure nothing came out, popping out again, man. You know, the back was no problem, slide right on, no issues. Yeah, man. LTZ, the tan guts. About to get the first ride, man, in a minute. Pick my son up for school. But yeah, you see this car's back right here. Yeah, 1 day turnaround. Y'all wanna see the sneak peek in that? Oh yeah, before we do a sneak peek in the Magnum, I just did spray the brake calipers too, man. Get them a little extra silvery. Clean them up and spray them down a tad bit. You know what I'm saying? Make them look a lot better. But you got all this pollen, clean the car down. But yeah, car good though. New battery, side blinds on alert, man. That was $1,300. They changed all the wiring, new modules, man. Got all that done. You feel me? Sure, we good to go, man. So yeah, man. Y'all see y'all sneak peek of this Magnum, man. You did the inside. It's gonna be a real quick one, man, because I'm gonna say this for another vid, man. So let me go ahead and pause it right quick, and I'm gonna turn this light on so y'all can see, man. pause it right quick. Hold on, you. All right, man. Hold on, man. I'm about to see this, man. About to see the SRT, man, with the engine bay sprayed up, man, including something else, man. Which this mug hit right now off this light, man. My mama, man. Shit, man. Hold on. Let me do something right quick, man. Hold on. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir.
You right now tuned into motherfucking hood, rich street running worldwide, bitch.
And if it ain't never been time, my nigga, it's motherfucking time now. Street money, Tracy T, diamonds, money, and motherfucking dope.
DJ Pretty Boy, thank you, bitches. Plain Janes and flooded faces. We make the money. You niggas making statements. Red ass nigga, never been in the streets to get the cash ass nigga.